Hi everyone! Welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. Even with two cranes on the job, it looks like they forgot to share the load. One of them took a nosedive into the abyss like it was auditioning for a stunt double role. Poor driver didn't stand a chance to escape the cabin. Talk about a dramatic twist in the heavy machinery world. That crane just rolled right off the edge and sent a car into the sea because of a brake failure. It's like it thought, who needs a parking lot when there's a perfectly good ocean right there? The front two wheels of that truck are practically on the edge of collapsing. Who would have thought this SUV could take down that heavy-duty truck? It's like watching a David versus Goliath showdown on wheels. Why is that sedan driver opening the door while driving? It's like they're auditioning for a one-person circus act. That white sedan looks like it's trying to assert its dominance over that concrete mixer. Looks like this time the delivery driver's wallet is in for a workout. Talk about a special delivery, straight to the damage claims department. Looks like this three-wheeler driver treats maintenance like an optional hobby. Maybe they're just testing how far a vehicle can go on pure optimism. When your foot's a little too friendly with the gas pedal, and suddenly your car thinks it's auditioning for a high-speed chase. This white sedan definitely belongs to the guy who's always in a hurry. This is the best excavator rescue of the day. Forget superhero movies, this is the real deal. Wow, that three-wheeler is like a horse that just decided to take a detour and kick its way right into the curb. The black SUV totally missed the truck cruising through that intersection. It's like they thought, what truck? I'm just on a smooth ride through my own little world. That poor little electric car. It's like the underdog of the vehicle world. The truck driver was clearly behind the wheel while fighting off a serious case of sleepiness. An unexpected showdown for this reckless overtaker. It's like the car was speeding through, thinking it owned the road. That car's practically hugging the lane line and swinging wide into the other lane. The truck accidentally dropped that metal frame right in the middle of the intersection at a red light. It's like it decided to leave a little surprise obstacle for everyone else. Nothing like a sudden roadblock to keep traffic interesting. That black sedan is zooming around like it's racing against the clock. That crane was this close to being yanked away by another crane. It's like a heavy-duty tug-of-war game that no one signed up for. That three-wheeler just rolled itself right into the parked car like it had a target in mind. Just looking at that loosely placed wooden plank, I can already predict the next scene. That white sedan is about to face the music. The three-wheeler, caught off guard, couldn't brake in time, and ended up wedged between the guardrail and that truck. Talk about a tight spot. Fortunately, the driver was rescued safely and professionally. It's like they had their own personal pit crew swooping in for a dramatic save. That tire must have a big old lump inside, bouncing around like it's trying to audition for a trampoline show. It's like every little bump in the road turns into a mini jumping contest. Who knew tires had such a springy personality? This driver is clearly exhausted and fighting off sleep, yet still pushing through behind the wheel. The man on the motorcycle is riding with a calm, almost chilling demeanor. It's like he's the James Bond of the biking world. That sedan is one lucky ride. It lost control on the slippery highway, skidding around like it was trying out for a figure skating competition, yet somehow managed to regain stability. That woman just slammed on the brakes in the inside lane of the highway like she spotted a sale sign. It's hard to blame the driver this time. The dangling hook was probably playing hide and seek. Why did this black sedan driver make the same mistake twice in a row? It's like they thought, well, that went poorly, but let's give it another shot. Practice makes perfect, right? Wow, talk about a narrow escape. It's like the driver pulled off a magic trick, slipping through that gate like a ninja. Well, it looks like the crane just bombed its chance at a heroic rescue. Talk about a plot twist. Who knew heavy machinery could have such epic fails? I wonder if that motorcycle is okay after all that drama. It's probably sitting there thinking, I just wanted to cruise, not become the star of a wreck. Looks like this white sedan is trying to pull off a surprise move for the driver behind. That car was zooming by, like it was late for an important date. When the traffic light is down to its last second, it's definitely time to hit the brakes. Looks like the truck bed decided it's time for a mid-road strike. So, did this truck really decide to start a bonfire from the tires? It's like the wheels thought, why wait for a pit stop when we can go out in a blaze of glory right here?
看看这个车在这里放着都，放着都几个天了，现在人烟也不交个，修保队下来的。看怕不怕？可不敢扣紧啊，不敢扣紧啊！刚才那个灭火器给接不接？看友们警示一下啊，一定要注意。停车以后把总电源一定要关闭。看看。
So was it a case of the truck's brakes going on vacation, or did the driver just skip the drive carefully memo? That crane was this close to toppling over. Thank goodness it let go just in time. It's like it had a moment of clarity, thinking, whoa, this isn't a roller coaster ride. This bus is about to get the royal teardown treatment, handled with precision by these heavy-duty machines. It's like a carefully orchestrated farewell party, where every bolt and panel gets a special goodbye. Talk about a meticulous send-off. Well, it seems this truck has officially checked in for the night. Why bother with a parking lot when you've got a cozy roadside spot right here? Guess it's all about that room with a view. Wow, moving heavy equipment up a mountain on tracks is quite the adventure. It's like watching a train on a mission to conquer the peaks. Who needs hiking when you can ride in style? Talk about a smooth ride to the top. This is how you industrially strip a tire off a steel rim using a clamp connected to an excavator. It's like watching a giant play a game of tug-of-war with a tire. Who knew removing tires could look so epic? The excavator's powerful grip locks onto the tire, and with a few grunts and groans, it pulls the rubber away from the rim like it's peeling off a stubborn sticker. Just imagine the tire's thoughts. I didn't sign up for this level of extraction. It's an intense showdown, and you can almost hear the tire squeaking in protest. Talk about a high-stakes extraction. It's not your average roadside tire change. It's industrial strength at its finest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.